To determine the volume of the object in example 2, we have a bunch of cubes stacked onto each other. So what we're going to do is just going to calculate each cube and add up the total volume using each cube. So looking at the top cube there's just one cube. And for the second one, the second layer, so this cube in here is a 2 by 2 by 2 cube. So we can do 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is going to be equal to 8 centimeter cubes. If you can probably count all those 8 cubes. Okay, so that's the best way, the most reliable way is to count. And then lastly, the bottom cube, it's hard to see all the cubes, so we kind of have to rely on knowing the cube, the number of cubes that make a 3 cube. So it's 3 by 3 by 3, or 3 cubed. It's going to give us 27 cubes. And so 27 cubes. So the total volume, when we add that all up, is going to work out to be 36 cubes. Okay, and we can pretty much count most of those and verify that that's how many cubes we have. For this one here, we can also count the cubes, but we're going to try the strategy of taking the area of the base, and we're going to then, using that area of the base, we're going to give it some thickness. So this area here, if we take a look at that face, every slice cutting through in this direction is going to give us the same area. So that's the area we're going to use. So we're going to use the area of the face. So the volume is going to be equal to, the area of that face is going to be, if I just count the squares, it's going to be 5 centimeters squares. And then I'm going to give that some thickness. That thickness here is going to be 4 centimeters thick. Okay, so if we multiply that by 4 centimeters, we have 4 layers of 5, which is going to give us 20. So the volume works out to be 20 centimeters cubed. So 5 times 4 is 20, centimeters squared times centimeters is centimeters cubed. So our volume is 20 centimeters cubed.